Hello everyone, this is reduced Reiko form. So we are going to see how to solve this question, 3x3 matrix. In the previous video we saw how to solve the equation which is equal to the form of Reiko form of a matrix. This is reduced Reiko form. So how to proceed with reduced Reiko form? First of all, we are going to use the same way how to solve the Reiko form of a matrix. This question, which is a question, we need to have a leading one here, so which we are going to use to put 0 in the second row and the third row. So we are going to interchange. We interchange the first row with the third row. R1 means the first row and R3 means the third row. We interchange. So guys, as we interchange the first row with the third row, we are going to use the leading one here to make 0 in the second row. R1 means the first row and R2 means the second row. We are using the first row to multiply. We're going to multiply -2 with the first row plus the second row. Here we get 0, 1, 14. The third row still the same. So guys, as we already have a leading one here in the second row, it's good. We're going to use it in order to make 0 in the third row. So guys, we are using -2. -2 times 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. -2 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. -2 times 14 minus 1 is equal to -29. So guys, as we already have here 29, we are going to make it a leading one in the third row. So we are using -1 by 29 in order to make the leading one in the third row. So this is Reiko form of a matrix with a leading one in the many diagonal entries. So the question is reduce Reiko form. So how to make the reduce Reiko form? We are going to use this leading one in the third row. In this case, it's not the first row, but we are using the third row to make 0 here in the second row and the first row. So here it will be R3. R3 means the third row. R2. R2 means the second row, and it will be R3. We are using R3 to make 0 in the first row. So here we are going to use minus 14 to make 0 here in the second row. And to make 0 in the first row, we are going to use 4. So, in regular form, we go like this. But in reduced regular form, we are going up. So what is next? Sorry guys, this is 1. We need to make this one 0. When it will be 0, so our question will get the form of reduced regular form. So in order to make this one 0, we are going to use the second row. This is R2. R2 means the second row. We are using the second row in order to make 0 here in the first row. This is minus 2. So minus 2 times 0 plus 1 here is equal to 1. Minus 2 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. And here we have 0. So guys, this is reduced regular form. We have to be with leading 1 in the diagonal entries. Thank you guys.